according to the CDC, and that is a big national health organization, children ages 8 to 10 spend about 6 hours a day in front of a screen using entertainment media. So first of all, what is entertainment media?
It's like Instagram, Twitter,
Snapchat.
Games.
Wow.
Instagram.
Discord.
Okay.
Instagram.
Instagram.
Social media.
Games.
MySpace.
Social media.
Among Us.
Okay, that's games. Okay, what about movies?
Oh,
Movie
yes.
shows.
Facebook. Snapchat.
Twitter.
Shows.
Snapchat. Facebook. I use Facebook.
Oh my goodness, okay, we're done. You guys got the idea.
I use Facebook.
Okay. You have got the idea. What entertainment media is. Think about the positive and negative effects of screen time for children. Okay?
It doesn't hurt my eyes.
Okay, so we're gonna put over here,
Look at the lights.
positive. This would mean that you are for screen time, it's okay. This would be also called the pros. Okay? We're also going to look at the negative effects of screen time. And because we're doing this as a group, so what are we talking about over there? Because it's not the positive and negative effects of screen time. We are being recorded. These would be the cons. This would mean that you're against. Yes, I'm recording this for my learners. So please keep the extra to 0%. Okay? The positive and negative effects of screen time for children. So we're thinking about that. We're going to look up a few things too, okay? And we're going to write to support your opinion on whether or not screen time should be limited for children. So when you write, you're going to choose either this, positive, okay, sorry. This would be for no limitations. Let kids do whatever they want. No limitations, okay? Or negative, the negative things would mean yes, if it's has a negative effect, then yes, you should have limitations.
It hurts your eyes.
Okay, so that would be a negative. Okay. Let's look though, because this is not something that we can just say, oh yes, this, that. Okay, we're going to establish a claim or position. So that's either yes, there should be limitations because there are so many negatives, or no, it's okay. There should be no limitations. You're going to choose one or the other. You do not have to write about both. Can you scoot over, sir? Thank you. Now she made a polite request. She said, stop touching my desk. So let's stop so it doesn't make the issue worse, right? Okay. So we've already established 2 claims we could have. We are going to apply an appropriate organizational pattern. What does that mean? It means, what does that mean? Appropriate organizational pattern.
That means 4 pros. Yeah.
No. Organizational pattern. Organizational.
Oh,
Put it in order.
Order and sequence.
Okay, so we could use a text structure here, right?
Yeah.
Or sequential order.
Sequential order, something like that. What this means for your paper right now is I want the introduction first. I want your main body paragraph with your evidence. Okay, and then I want a conclusion. If you do these 3 things, you will have it in order. This is going to be your body paragraph right here, the brainstorming we do. The body means the main part of it. Okay. Use sound reasoning and provide specific evidence to support your claim. So should you just be saying, well, I think this, or I think that, or I think this? But because I'm a kid and I like screen time, there shouldn't be any limitations.
I know, right?
Is that sound evidence?
Yes.
No, it is not. Choose words in order to persuade your audience. Use correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, grammar, and sentences. So you will all need to pull out your tablet. Okay. If you don't have a tablet, just look on with a partner, please. Okay. Come on in. I'm also going to be looking up things on my computer. Okay. Because we need to find some reasons. Okay. So what I'm going to put up here is I'm going to search, should screen time be limited for children? Victoria, I would like your body facing this way, and I would like the extra talking to stop. Okay, but you are talking to, and you're talking, turn and face this way. No more talking, or I'll take points off your test. Do you think the people on the recording really want to stop and listen to me ask students to stop talking? Okay. Okay, screen time guideline, kidshealth.org. So I'm going to write that down. I'm looking at kidshealth.org because that's a source. Okay, here's what they say. I'm reading and I'm going to summarize for you guys because this is adult reading. Okay. Okay, it just tells what we should do. They're persuading, they actually wrote their paper here. They're telling me, okay, so we're not going to use that because they're not giving me reasons why. They're just telling me how to limit. That's not going to help. Okay. What does too much screen time do to kids' brains? This is healthmatters.nyp.org. This looks like it'll be good. Health Matters. I know this is a little boring, Marcus. Have a seat. .nyp.org. Okay. Okay. What is all the screen time doing to kids' brains? 6 hours a day. Ooh. Kids, listen to this. Kids who spend more than 2 hours a day on screen time activities scored lower on language and thinking tests. They scored lower on language. And so like reading, writing. If you spend more than 2 hours a day, you score lower on your tests. Which side does that go on? Cons. Okay. Greater than 2 hours per day equals score lower on language. Whoops, misspelled. Language. And what was it? Thinking test. Not guessing, thinking test, where they test how well you think and process through problems.
Yeah.
Marcus, did you have something you want to add? Because you're being very rude right now.
No, gotta get to the bathroom. And it's an emergency.
And that's how you ask your teacher to go use the restroom?
May I please go to the bathroom?
Yes, please come back quickly so you don't miss too much.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
I go to that one or that one? One around the corner.
Shh. Lenhart, let me answer. Okay. It says, all right, let's see. I'm sorry, I'm scanning through. This is very long. I know this is a little bit boring. Okay, excessive, that means too much screen time, may stop a child's ability to observe and experience typical everyday activities. They need to learn about the world. So let me read that again. Yes. What?
She thinks he's playing on cool now. Oh no, he's not.
Okay, put your screen down flat. I did say to have your things out. I did say you could search along with me.
Oh, I know you're not.
Okay, he said, should screen time be limited? They say, should screen time be limited? They're both working on what they should be working. And they did tap, tap as I went over. Swipe to make things go away. Okay?
May I please use the bathroom?
Yes, put your headphones down. Wait till Marcus comes back. When he comes, you can just go. Okay, so let me read that again. Too much screen time may stop or slow a child's ability to observe and experience the world. So which side does that go on? Stops their ability to observe the world.
Negative.
Negative.
Cons. Can you make it stop? Thank you. To observe, and if they can't observe it, are they learning about it?
Nope.
And learn about the world. Okay? Okay, and it says they give this example. When I see children walking with a parent or being pushed in a stroller, they're often playing on a smartphone or a tablet and not paying attention to anything else around them. They will not learn about the world if all they're doing is looking at a smartphone. This will not just affect their ability to learn new things, but how they interact with others. Okay, because if you're always on your phone, are you learning how to be a good friend?
No.
No.
Look it up on
Tablet's
the phone.
flat, please, Delilah. Okay. Okay, let me see here. Okay. Also, if they're on the phone, are they having conversations with people?
By texting,
Maybe if
yeah.
you're calling.
Conversations with people, talking.
By calling, yeah.
Yes.
FaceTime calling.
Okay, I'm saying if they're playing a game or doing entertainment media on the phone, are they talking and interacting with
Yeah.
people?
Yes.
No.
They could look beside them and then talk while they're doing it.
Marcus,
Oh, what?
have a seat.
I mean, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. If they are on their game, are they having good conversations with people?
No.
No. So what they are saying here is too much screen time also limits.
Good morning, Coyotes. Could I please have the student council and archery students? Student
Bye.
council and archery students, please come to the counselor's office immediately.
You're a
Thank you.
big